Welcome to the Loan Analytics PD Stress Analysis video. In this video, you will learn how to use the LAstress PD application to stress the PD risk within your loan portfolio. PD equals probability of default. We will now open the LAstress PD application. Once opened, you can select solvency ratio, so equity to asset, debt to equity. Select current ratio, working capital to gross income. Setup, select. You would select the earnings statement date greater than a certain date, the balance sheet date, interest on term debt, principal on term debt. You can choose to migrate customer or loan, migrate volume or number. You can enter the percent of unfunded commitment to be used in the analysis. PD risk. Enter the probability of default for each PD rating along with the rating weight. You can choose to exclude your top 3 ratings. LGD risk. Enter the loss given default for each LGD rating. Industry. Enter the name of your top 6 industry along with their codes. You can group industries together. Assign a scorecard to each industry. Scorecard. Enter the range for solvency, the range for liquidity, and the range for capacity. You can enter zeros for 12, 13, and 14s. Enter the weight for solvency, liquidity, and capacity. If you click Link Scorecard, all of the scorecards will be linked, and any changes made to this scorecard will be made to the other scorecards. Main, import. Double-click on the data extract to be imported. Graph. Compare the imported PD rating with the calculated PD rating. Accounts. Report imported PD rating, calculated PD rating, the difference. You can sort this by volume. We can double-click on any customer name to review the customer's financials. Assign PD rating of a 7, calculated PD rating of a 4. Main. Stress. Enter the stress. Click header to autofill. Enter magnitude. Click header to autofill. Enter fixed rate debt. This will apply to interest stress. Duration. You can select the duration of the stress, 1 to 5 years. Migration. View total. Scenario. Migration matrix. Click on any of the underlined percents. Double-click on customer name to view summary information. Assigned rating of 5, calculating a 5. Based on the stress, the customer goes from a 5 to an 8. Pro forma balance sheet, 1 year out. Customer matrix, view all. You can scroll down and view the portfolio. The grain portfolio, 46% of the imported portfolio is grain, 48% of the total portfolio is grain. Migration, selected magnitude. You can view the migration matrix based upon a 75% magnitude. Migration, volatility summary. View, You can view the summary of the stress, the concentrations, the beginning weighted average PD rating, the ending weighted average PD rating, and the volatility of change. You can also produce a graph. Extract, open a workbook, and copy this information to another workbook. One note, this graph is still linked to the application. If you save it in a PowerPoint or Word document, save it down as a picture or an object. Main. Thank you for viewing the LAstress PD video. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thank you.